Welcome back to Blooming Rose Academy English classes, class 8. Today I will teach you in class 8 English text the second lesson, Tsunami. In first video I told you the summary and question answer of the first part of this lesson, and today I will tell you the summary of second part of this lesson. Student, when we talk about the characters and places that are given in your second part of this lesson, is first one is Tilly Smith. What's Tilly Smith? Tilly Smith is a 10-year-old schoolgirl and her sister was 7-year-old. Penny and Colin Smith, they were Tilly's parents. Place where had the tsunami come? A beach resort in southern Thailand, and earthquake had arisen on northern Sumatra. Sumatra is an island. The story starts with that Tilly Smith with her parents had gone to the southeast England and she was celebrating Christmas with her parents. Then she suddenly saw that from the southern east part of the beach a very high tiding of water was coming towards the Tilly Smith and with her parents, where they were celebrating Christmas. It was morning time. When Tilly's parents, her father, Penny Smith, noticed that the island on which they were celebrating Christmas was getting smaller and smaller. And then Penny Smith at once understood that yes, this is going to something wrong. And Tilly Smith started crying, screaming very loudly that run away, because Tilly had already read this incident, the incident of tsunami, in her tsunami lesson, in her geography subject. And her geography teacher had also showed her a video in 1 week ago. Actually, Tilly Smith was a 10-year schoolgirl and her sister was 7-year-old schoolgirl. She studied in a school in England, and 1 week ago when she was in England, then her geography teacher had showed Tilly Smith a video in which a tsunami was causing, and it was very high screaming, starting with volcanoes, earthquake and high tiding of the water. When Tilly noticed that a high tiding of water was coming towards Tilly's and with her parents, where they were celebrating their Christmas, then she started crying everyone to run away from here, to run away from here. And they were celebrating this Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. The incident was on northern Sumatra. Tilly with her parents ran away from there, and then they went to nearest to a swimming pool of a resort of a hotel, and then they reached at the third story of that hotel building to save themselves from the tsunami, because the hotel in which they had sheltered themselves had already faced the 3 tsunamis destruction, and still that building was standing as same. With Tilly, many of the other people also started running behind Tilly, and they also hide themselves in the hotel. And by this way, with the intelligence and the knowledge of Tilly, she saved her parents from this tsunami. Actually, students, Tilly had already studied the characters of tsunami. How does a tsunami come? First of all, we know that an earthquake or high tiding takes place in the sea, which causes a high tiding of water, and this high tiding of water comes to the small islands which are situated beside the sea and causes tsunami. So Tillie had already such type of knowledges. So with her school knowledge, whatever she had studied in her geography lesson, she saved her parents, other people and herself also from the tsunami. And now students, in second video I will give you the question answer of this video, of this second part. Okay, thanks for classes. And first of all, when you watch my video, then you open your book also. Thanks for classes.